Hey folks, welcome to the Do It Yourself Dad channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a medicine cabinet. Now, if you're not just doing a straight replacement and you're installing a new one, I'm also going to show you how to do that in this video as well. Now, what we're doing is we're taking our old 1970s medicine cabinet out and we're putting in a new one. Now, if this isn't your style, there's a lot of different styles to choose from. I will have a link down below so you can check them out, but you can also pick these up at your local hardware store. Now, if you're doing a replacement, it should be pretty simple. When you open it up, there will be screws, and those screws are anchoring this thing into the studs. Most of these cabinets are made to be a stud width apart, so you can put them right in between two studs. Now, if you're installing a new cabinet from scratch, all you need to do is locate where the studs are in the wall with a stud finder, and then remove the drywall out, and you can sleeve the new one in. But right now, let's get the old one out. So now with the old cabinet out, you can slide our new one right in. Now, once you have it in place, make sure that the door is opening in the correct direction. Most of these you can flip them upside down if you want it to open the other way. So once it's set like this, now we can anchor it to the stud. Now, some of them may already have a hole drilled in there, so you can anchor it through. Ours does not, so we're gonna drill a hole first. Then we're gonna anchor it with the included screws. Now, if your cabinet did not include screws, you can use any sort of construction screw. You just want to make sure that it's long enough that it'll make it through the side of the cabinet and anchor itself into the stud. Now, all we have to do is put on the shelves and the hardware. So we'll start with the hardware. And for the hardware, you've got a choice. A lot of them come with hardware, so you can just install that. Or if you have hardware already on the cabinets in your kitchen and this does not match, you can get a matching knob and put it on there to make it look real nice. Now we can mount the shelves, and you're going to use the little supplied mounting clips. You can pick where you want your shelf height and then install your shelves. And there you have it. This is a quick, easy job you should be able to accomplish in 10 or 15 minutes with just some basic hand tools. Now, if this video helped you out, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. We've got lots more awesome content coming your way, and hit that subscribe button really does help out the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of stuff you are working on around the house. Maybe I'll make a video just for you. And of course, thanks for watching.